and I'm going, but there was a lot of bloody going to the top.
Yeah.
And I was like, I'd rather go down the park. So yeah.
We went to Tenerife and January.
Oh, he went to Ireland with Annie's as well. And Tuesday, went to the cemetery. It's like, oh yeah.
What, golfing or?
No, one of your son's birthdays.
Oh, lovely.
Carol's 21st. Yeah, Carol's 21st birthday.
So we went to Tenerife, didn't we? Oh, we booked it on a Sunday. We went on a Monday. Or Tuesday.
Well, it is. Yeah, that's what I loved it. Otherwise, we talked about it. Loved it. Yeah, I don't know. That's very different. It's stuff that I got to do. I know.
What drinks?
You're up to meet me on the skybox. Kai, did you write clean me on the skybox? Yeah. I did. Send that to your teacher, Kai. Which teacher? The one who didn't send back your holiday request.
I'll get back to you when I'm home.
Yeah.
I still say it's I just was careful because
Let's get a hold of the
Ready, Anchor?
Yep, let's get a brand new holiday started.